Hey, it's Donna here from She's Got Legs. We are here for an episode of Whatcha Wearin Wednesday. We're going to show you how we can take 10 pieces to make a capsule wardrobe that gives you 31 outfits. So when someone says, hey, do you want to go? You can say, yeah, I can be ready in 10. Let's go. The pieces we have in our 10-piece capsule are our comfort tee sleeveless in white, our cuff tee in navy, our comfort tee short sleeve in tomatillo, and our reversible tank top in navy. We also have our navy capris, our come sail away leggings, and our flex shorts in navy. We have our flex jacket in navy and our cheetah cover up in black and gray. And finishing is our comfort swing dress in navy. Some other accessories we can bring are a scarf, a necklace, a sling bag, some shoes for the airport, and some flip-flops for the beach. Don't forget your bathing suit, hat, sunscreen, and a good book. And if you really want to kick it up, you could even throw another 2 pair of leggings in there because they're gonna fit. Those are 10 pieces in our capsule that you can put in your suitcase, which does not take up a lot of room, so there's room to buy some stuff when you're away. And you can get 31 outfits out of those pieces. Here we go.